with Jamaica and the world relays, I get out of handle. How much more embarrassing can it get? Big Jamaica making one official final, and in that final, we come dead last. All because, for one reason or another, we have been selecting some substandard athletes for these relays, putting together some substandard teams, which have been putting in some substandard performances that end up embarrassing Jamaica. I mean, it's all well and good to give a young athlete exposure for development, or to give some lesser athletes a chance to eat the food. But what is happening now is a national disgrace. Big Jamaica is not sending our best athletes to compete on this world stage while other countries are. What happened at these world relays is potentially damaging to Jamaica's rich track and field legacy. And we need to stop it now. Not on the world stage, not in the national colors. Someone should resign. Yes, resign. No, me never say resign. Mr. Resign. Someone should resign.